We want to get the latest on coronavirus and its impact globally and here in the United States. Anjalee Khemlani is the correspondent we turn to for that. Anjalee.
Thanks, Adam. Yep, as you mentioned earlier, worldwide case count surpassing 438,000 today, really careening well past what the daily, ramp up has been. We know that in the U.S. that number is past 55,000, and we're looking to see just where those hotspots continue to show up as the testing has been increasing. We know that New York has been disproportionately affected and is preparing for a surge right now. We've seen the ramp up of alternate hospital sites or care sites like the Javits Center, that huge conference center, as well as the Governor Cuomo talking about working with dorms or hotels to add capacity for those beds. But that still doesn't solve the problem of staffing and of medical equipment, which we're waiting to see just how that pans out. We know that from the national stockpile as well as from private companies, there has been an outpouring of between donations and just ramping up production, but we still don't know if those numbers can be met. I've talked to a number of health experts that have said it may well be impossible to meet what the demand is by the time this surge reaches New York, specifically New York City. Meanwhile, we know that Italy and Spain have really been suffering when it comes to the number of deaths. Italy and Spain both have surpassed the number of deaths in China. Spain right now at 3,400 and Italy at 6,800. Meanwhile, news out of the UK, Prince Charles has been confirmed positive of the virus. His wife, meanwhile, hasn't tested positive yet. We know that Prince Charles did, in fact, interact with the Queen on March 12th, but she has since been out of the public eye since about last Tuesday, and he has also been reducing public visits. So that's something to keep an eye on. Hopefully he recovers. He's in that target area zone of over 70 years old that's at risk. So we'll wait to see how he fares. Adam.
Anjalee Khemlani, thank you very much.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.